This is Betsy's favorite new toy, her walker. She just runs all over the house. Destruction. Destruction everywhere. And then she bangs and it bangs. She picks up towels. See, she's got a bib, a hat, and a towel that she's picked up off of every surface that she can reach. Come on over here, Bets. Come over here. Where's Betsy? Where's Betsy? Come on over here. Here she comes. Uh-oh, you're stuck on a blanket. There she goes, into the couch. Where's Betsy? Where's Betsy? Hi, Betsy. Hi. Into the table, just like bumper cars. Bib, she's got her hat, she's got a towel from the kitchen. Come on over. Are you stuck? Good girl. There she goes again. Running into everything. Where's Betsy? Where's Betsy? Where's Betsy? Come on over. Bonk. Where is Betsy? Where is Betsy? Come on over. Come on. Hi, Betsy. Hi, Betsy. Come on over. Here she comes, full speed ahead. Here she comes. There she goes. Against the carpet. Where's Betsy? Back it up, sister. Bonk. You're just bonking in everything. Yay, Betsy. Look out, drivers. Bonk. Hope you're not under the influence of milk. I'm going to pull you over. There she goes again. Woohoo! Bonk. Okay, say goodbye, Bets. Bye, Betsy. Can you wave? She's too busy driving. Keep your hands on the wheel.